Stamp with Deb, and I know that you guys like to see what I am doing in my card classes. And so the new kit that I just offered, let me just straighten up my tabletop here. I know that you guys all want to see what I'm offering, so you can make a decision of whether or not you want to come or purchase it. So this is the sunflower part of the kit. It's this beautiful card where you're going to stamp on the DSP and then trim it apart, and you'll be doing a little bit of masking on there. Okay, the next one, this is another sunflower. This is all the sunflower kit, and let me flip this over. This has information on it. And so this has a fancy fold in the corner, and so when you open it up, it has an adorable flower in the corner, but it never gets squished. So that's kind of a fun one. This is a gift card holder, and turn it right side up, it's better. So you know what? This is upside down. I'm gonna switch this. I'm gonna cancel this. I'll be back in a minute. I'm waiting to see if this is gonna catch up with me, and I'm gonna be able to see it right side up. Yes, that's much better. Okay, so I'll just turn the cards upside down. That'll solve the problem, at least upside down for me. Okay, and then this one, this is all die cut, and it's just a beautiful, amazing contrast on this. So it's a beautiful card. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see, there's one more. And then this is the last sunflower one. And it's just stamped on there and colored, just real simple and quick. So that's the sunflowers. Now for the posies. Whoops, I still had some in plastic. Sorry about that. This is one of the posy ones, and it is the gift card holder. Once again, your gift card goes right inside here. And just done with that beautiful posy. This one, also not open yet, is real simple, just using that beautiful paper from the, I'm sorry, it's a peony, not a posy. I cannot help myself. I keep calling it a posy, but it's a peony. And the third one, I want to show you these three together because that one is gorgeous too and very simple. So I'll tell you what, if you want to buy the sunflower, but you don't want to invest in the peony as well at this time, you could use any flower for these three. Any flower that you have in your supplies could be used for these, or you could use the sunflower. The sunflower has two different size flowers, so you could use the larger sunflower here and just color it in the grays and pinks and make it look like a dahlia rather than a sunflower. And then it has the smaller sunflower, which is on here, and you could use that on here, or you could use the large one on here. So I bet you could figure this out, or you could do the peonies and stamp the peonies on here instead. And the same with this, you could stamp the peonies on here. So you could choose one stamp set and use either one. This one, this card and this card come ready to be put together, basically. So there is no stamp set that you will need, really. These are, unless of course you want the words and you want the stamp set. It's a beautiful stamp set. It has great dies. These leaves are from the dies. The peony is from the dies. And these are so easy to put together. I can't wait to show you how to put them together. They are so simple. So those are the cards that are in the kit. So I hope that helps you make your decision. And registration closes Sunday night at midnight. So make sure you get registered before then. Thank you. See you guys later.